Welcome back to Explore Error. In today's video, I will show you how to fix lag and frame drops on HP Victus laptops. Many users face performance issues while gaming, but the good news is that this can be improved with a few simple optimization steps. Let's get started. First, open the registry editor by typing registry editor in the Windows search bar and run it as administrator. Once it opens, go to H key local machine, then system, then current control set, then control, then power, and then power settings. Inside this section, find the required folder and open it. Look for the file named attributes and change its value data to 2. Click OK, close the registry editor, and restart your laptop to apply the changes. After restarting, open the Control panel and change the view to large icons. Go to Power Options, select your current active power plan, and click on Change Advanced Power Settings. In the new window, expand Processor Power Management and then open Processor Performance Boost Mode. Disable this option for both on battery and plugged in. Apply the changes and close the window. Next, open the Omen Gaming Hub and select your HP Victus laptop. Go to Performance Control, choose Quiet Mode, and manually set the fan speed to maximum. This helps keep performance stable and reduces thermal throttling while gaming. And that's it. By following these steps, you should see smoother gameplay and less lag on your HP Victus laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more optimization tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.